Take a ride in the 2015 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.